Do you want to know all the features of your new vehicle and how to use all your Uconnect services as soon as you purchase the vehicle? As part of the purchasing process, the dealer will register both your personal and your new vehicle data. Remember to provide your email and mobile phone number for service activation. After submitting your vehicle order, download the Fiat app and create an account using the same email that you gave your dealer to discover all the features and Uconnect services of your new vehicle. Enter the personal data, including the password, and set the privacy preferences and start to discover your vehicle feature. To complete the activation process, a few days before the vehicle delivery, an invitation email and a reminder via SMS will be automatically sent to you. If you have not received the registration link via email, you can also start your registration using the in-vehicle activation feature directly through your vehicle infotainment system by typing your email address there. Otherwise, you can contact the dealer or customer care to get a new activation link. On the Fiat app, you have only to accept the terms and conditions, create a security PIN, and set questions and answers. And if you have never created an account, after receiving the email for the Uconnect services activation, you can download the Fiat app and register yourself, or you can create your first account on the Fiat or Fiat Professional My Uconnect website. At the end, you will receive a confirmation email. Wait a few minutes and switch the car engine on. Most of Uconnect services are available for a period of 3 or 5 years. Want more? You can buy optional services directly from the website, like the My Alert service to receive alerts and support in case of theft of your vehicle. Or you can subscribe to My Wi-Fi that allows you to convert your vehicle into a hotspot for up to 8 devices and to use Alexa voice service on board. Discover the features dedicated to charging electric vehicles from public and private charging stations. The My Remote package offers a set of dedicated features that allows you to manage charging remotely. With Charge Now, you can start charging from the Fiat mobile app if the car is already plugged in, even if you have scheduled the recharge from the app or the infotainment system, and there is no wallbox scheduling. With Charge Schedule, you can set a favorite charging calendar, including start time, end time, or charge threshold, day of the week, and event repetition. To get the best out of your journey aboard your electric vehicle, you can also set a climate schedule for the preconditioning. The My eCharge package allows managing both public and home charging stations with dedicated mobile apps easily accessible through the Fiat mobile app in the Mobility Services section. The first time you use one of the My eCharge services, you will be asked to download the dedicated app and link the account to be logged in. My eCharge includes My Easy Charge, My Easy Wallbox, and My Connected Wallbox. With My Easy Charge, you can easily access the charging functions and payments. You can also keep track of your recharge history. From the My Easy Charge dashboard, you can manage your account and subscriptions and scan the QR code to start charging. Some charging stations require the My Easy Charge card. Go to My Fiat website, click on the banner, and from the partner website, subscribe and order the card. The card will be sent to you within a few days. With My Easy Wallbox, you can configure, monitor, and set up the Easy Wallbox via Bluetooth, including functions such as start and stop or postpone the charge. My Connected Wallbox is a service based on the provider available in your market, NLX or NG. From the My Connected Wallbox dashboard, you can configure, monitor, and set your connected wallbox via Wi-Fi, including stop or start a recharge as an alternative to charge schedule, or simply schedule. Do you know that with Uconnect services and TomTom, you can take advantage of the latest technology in connected navigation right at your fingertips? The Uconnect Services My Navigation package is included after activation and offers you a complete and seamless experience on the vehicle's infotainment system and on the Fiat app. One of the best examples of this experience is the Send and Go feature that allows you to search for an address or a point of interest on your smartphone and send it to your vehicle's navigation system. The Dynamic Range Mapping feature allows you to visualize on the navigation screen and in your Fiat app how far you can drive before choosing the destination and alert you if your battery charge is not enough. Is the battery charge not enough to reach the destination? Don't worry, you can easily search and find the closest charging stations on your navigation system, with detailed information on the connector type and availability. When you reach your destination, Parking Finder will help you easily find parking options, showing the nearest off-street parking and availability. If your final destination is located on a pedestrian area, after parking your vehicle, the last mile navigation feature will send walking directions to the exact address to the Fiat app. With Uconnect services, you always have everything under control. Also, thanks to Amazon Alexa voice service, available both remotely and on board. In the My Remote package, you can find At-Home Digital Assistant, the service that offers you an additional touchpoint to enhance the ownership and the experience of Uconnect services. To use Alexa remotely, you must own an active Amazon account. Then download the Amazon Alexa app in your smartphone from App Store or Google Play. Go to Skills and Games and select My Fiat. Then select Link Account and log in using your Fiat app account. Authorize Alexa to use vehicle data. Alexa will allow you to perform vehicle remote operations, such as door lock and unlock or flashlight. You can access vehicle info, for example, to check tyre pressure, odometer and battery level. With your electric vehicle, you can also start charging, schedule the preconditioning, check autonomy range and the charge status of your Fiat. With Alexa, you can use the Send and Go feature to send destinations or points of interest to your vehicle navigation system.
La sfida che abbiamo affidato al maestro e alla GBL è stato di far entrare un certo numero di ambienti ideali per la musica in una 500.
L'impianto audio che è stato progettato per questa nuova 500 elettrica è un impianto ad hoc ed è composto da un sistema a 2 vie nella parte frontale, quindi con un midwoofer e un tweeter. In più il nuovo subwoofer da 200 mm con l'amplificatore sempre sviluppato ad hoc è stato nascosto all'interno del bagagliaio senza togliere spazio all'interno dell'autovettura.
Tutto questo insieme di questa catena di apparecchi consente di riprodurre poi sulla 500 elettrica il suono che io ascolto in questa stanza.
Are Italians ingenious? Have you been to Italy?
Yes, they're ingenious.
The new all-electric Fiat 500 3+1 Dolce Vita by design. Do Italians love sunshine? Have you seen Italy?
How could they not?
The new all-electric Fiat 500 Dolce Vita by design. Do Italians care about nature? Have you seen Italy?
How could they not?
The new all-electric Fiat 500 Dolce Vita by design.